Welcome back, folks. We are back with a new video. Today, we are going to discuss how you can easily settle your credit card debt using lending platforms that have low interest rates, quick approval rates, and fast withdrawal times. In our video, we are going to learn about the best lending platforms. To visit the official website of these platforms, check out the description. Let's get started. Top 5 lending platforms to settle credit card debt. LoanRaptor. First on the list, we have the LoanRaptor. It is a great choice for quick and easy financial solutions and mostly to get out of your credit card debt. LoanRaptor platforms offer a streamlined online application process that can be completed in just a few minutes. This means you can get immediate feedback on your application in just a few minutes. Their customer services are readily available to assist you through every step, making it accessible even if you have bad credit or don't want a credit check. The loan amounts range between $100 to $5,000. Hard Paydays. Hard Paydays stands out for offering flexible loan amounts and repayment terms. You can borrow up to $5,000 and choose a repayment period that works for you, extending up to 12 months. The application process is quick, with decisions typically made within minutes, making it a great option for those needing funds fast. They also provide exceptional customer service to guide you through the application process. However, fees and terms can vary depending on the lender, and also Hard Paydays lending platforms are not a good choice for borrowers who are looking to get large loans. Jungle Finance. Next on our list, we have the Jungle Finance platform. It is also a supportive approval and has high approval rates, even for clients with less than perfect credit histories. Also, the Jungle Finance platform is trusted by many users for its transparent and reliable service. The application process is simple and accessible online, and you can get loans ranging from $100 to $5,000. The strong customer support system is a significant advantage, especially for those new to borrowing. However, you need to look into the loan amounts. For some borrowers, the loan amounts may not cover financial emergencies. 50K loans. 50K loans are ideal for those who need larger amounts quickly. The platform offers loans up to $50,000, which can be helpful for urgent financial needs. The application process is quick, and you can receive your loan decisions within the same day. Also, the 50K loans lending platform services are reliable, with transparent fees and no hidden costs. However, due to the higher loan amounts, the eligibility criteria are stricter at the 50K loan lending platform, and the repayment periods might be longer, leading to more interest over time. Green Dollar Loans. Green Dollar Loans focuses on providing payday loans with speed and efficiency. If you need fast access to funds without long wait times or a complicated process, this platform is a great option. The application process is entirely online and very simple, and they are among the fastest in providing loan decisions and disbursements. The loan amounts range from $100 to $5,000, making it suitable for smaller financial needs. However, the speed and convenience come with higher fees, and it might not be the best choice for those with very high financial needs and who need higher loan amounts. How to apply for a loan at a lending platform. The application process to get a loan at a lending platform is quite simple and straightforward. Here is what you need to do to get easy and quick loan amounts. First and foremost, know the present situation you are in, what kind of interest rates you can afford, and what type of loan amount you need. Next, collect all the required documents related to your identity, income, etc. Now comes the most important part of the application process, which is to choose the right lending platform according to your needs and requirements. Once you select the right lending platforms according to your financial needs, visit the official website of that lending platform, select the loan amount, and complete the application procedure. After the application procedure, you will be connected to a lending partner who can help you get the loan amount. Once you get connected, you will discuss the loan amounts and rates and will be offered a loan agreement. If you are okay with the loan terms and conditions, then sign the agreement and you can get the loan amount within 24 hours. Conclusion. To wrap up the complete video, so yeah, you can easily get loan amounts from these lending platforms that we have mentioned in the video. Choose one of them that best suits your needs and requirements. By getting the loan amount you need from these platforms, you can easily clear your credit card debt and get out of it. To get to the official website of these lending platforms, check out the description below. There you have the official links. That's it for today's video. See you in a new one.